The person who invented the electric welding machine was indeed a genius. But have you ever wondered why it doesn't electrocute people? This begins with understanding the working principle of the welding machine. The heart of the welding machine is the internal step-down transformer, which consists of two coils, the primary and the secondary, both wound around an iron core made of many thin iron sheets stacked together to reduce electromagnetic losses. When we energize the primary coil, it creates a strong magnetic field that induces a voltage in the secondary coil. According to the law of electromagnetic induction, which we learn in junior high school physics, the ratio of the primary voltage to the induced voltage is equal to the ratio of the number of turns in the primary coil to that in the secondary coil, and it is also equal to the ratio of the induced current to the primary current. By adjusting the number of turns in the coils, we can change the output voltage and current. The output voltage of an electric welding machine is typically between 30 and 36 volts, which is below the safe voltage threshold for the human body. Therefore, when a person comes into contact with the welding handle or the metal being welded, the current bypasses the human body, which has a higher resistance, and flows directly through the metal. This ensures that the person is not harmed by the electrode. The key to welding is the arc. If the welding rod is directly touching the metal, no arc will form, because the current will flow straight through the metal. A certain gap must be maintained between the welding rod and the metal so that the electric current can ionize the air and generate a high-temperature arc. This temperature is typically above 6,000 degrees Celsius, which can melt the metal instantly to complete the weld. Like and follow for more informative 3D videos.